Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Pi Tou's Thai Kitchen. Today, we've got a special dish for you today, and that's Goong Makarm. So this is actually going to be large prawns with tamarind sauce. This is a really tasty dish that goes really well with prawns. With prawns, it just takes on a special texture, flavour. It just really goes really well. That sounds good to you? And you know it does. Stick around.
Hi everyone, welcome to Pi Tou Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make prawn with tamarind sauce or Goong Makarm. Right. Okay, I'm going to show you our recipe. This is a prawn, freshwater prawn, size U5. You can get from the market. Sliced red shallot. 100 grams of coconut sugar. Spring onion. A few pieces of spring onion. And this tamarind sauce, we don't need to soak or squeeze it. And I'm going to show you in a minute how to use roast dry chili, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Now we fry the prawn. Yeah, we heat the rapeseed oil. Let me just fry. Yeah, you can see the prawn getting the color change to orange color. But this one you put a medium heat. Don't hide the gas too high. It takes about 4-5 minutes. This prawn is cooked. Yeah, the prawn cooked already. Yeah, now you can see the color like this. Okay.
So next we're going to deep fry the sliced shallots. And we're going to do this until they're golden and crispy. Right, that should just about do it. Right, now you're going to put that to one side. And now we're going to take our concentrated tamarind sauce. We're going to add 3 spoons, pretty large spoons. And to that we're going to add 3 spoons of water. And we're going to add 100 grams of coconut sugar. And we just want the coconut sugar to melt, break down into the sauce. And then we're going to add 3 spoons of fish sauce. You can use a ladle or wooden spoon or spatula just to help it on its way, squish it down a bit.
And then you boil it until it becomes sticky. You can see, but this one we just boil still very light. Look the color สวยนะ Now a little bit sticky. Now let me taste. Yeah, this look is not sticky. Okay, I think yeah. Okay, now put prawn on the plate. And then put the sauce on top.
Okay, so then we're gonna put our deep fried shallots on top of the prawns. Followed by the dry roasted chilies. And just to finish it off, we've got the chopped spring onions. And that's it. Perfect. Okay, let's give this bad boy a taste. Let's see what it tastes like. Wow. Perfect. So it's ever so slightly sweet, more sour, more on the tart taste. And it's nice and sticky. Perfect. So, hope you enjoyed that. Obviously, we've got our decorations up. Coming down to Christmas. And so, festive greetings to one and all. Have a good one. And stay safe. Now, don't drink too much. And eat lots of Thai food. And use up all those leftovers. Yeah? Spring rolls, stir-fried noodles, special fried rice. Think of how you could use up those Christmas lunch ingredients in a somewhat different manner. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye.